Thanks for joining us. Bought a new campervan lately and thought we were going to keep it clean and look after the paintwork. We had an old Karcher which we'd had for 25 years probably, and tried to use the snow foam going on it the other day. It was hopeless. Hence the new Karcher. Done a bit of research online, as you do. Spent a couple of hours looking around trying to find the best one, and for the value for money, £150 off Amazon, thought we'd give this a go. Today we're going to unbox it. It's pouring down with rain, but hopefully we're going to get outside. If not today, we'll get outside and show you how we clean our van with our new Karcher and let you know what we think. Okay, let's go and see what's inside. Box full of goodies. So, that's like a handle. Very well packaged. Let's take a couple of the lanterns out. Not quite sure just yet which is which and what it's for. We all want to play with a gun, don't we? Maybe cut that bit. Instructions, how-to guide, that'll come in handy. There we go. So, let's get the main out. First of all, we've got that's the water hose. I believe it's 6 meters, but it doesn't actually look 6 meters. We'll find that out later. Heavier than you think. I'll just move that forward a bit. In fact, I'll move that out of the way. And there she goes. Looking good. So, now I've got it all out, let's see if we can put it together. Hopefully there'll be a quick start guide in here. How-to guide. Well, that doesn't tell you how to set it up, it just tells you what to do with it. That's the registration, so I presume it's going to be in this one. Right. So, let's start with a clunk click. Any particular way around. Yep, that way. Easy. This little thing goes on there. That's for connecting your hose pipe. Maybe put a bit of plumber's tape on the thread before I do it. Maybe we'll see how it goes, see if it leaks. This one goes in. Oops. And this goes on here. That comes out easy enough. Just press that button and it comes back out. Connected. So this is a variable. What's this one? I think this one is for the extreme power for cleaning paths and patios and stuff like that. And this one is for a car or a van or whatever you want to wash. Looks very straightforward. That is ready to go. Handle maybe could do in a touch longer. it's okay. That comes out of there, and that goes in there like that. A couple of places to put your wands in, just push it down, clicks in. And gathering that fits in there. I think the hose is meant to wrap around this. Let's see. I'll be back. I've heard people say on reviews that this is where the cable's meant to go, the pipe, but there's nothing stopping it at the bottom. It's just going to slide off. Put it on. It's just going to. That is useless. So if you make that lip a bit longer, it will just clip round. I'll just hang it on a. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing with that. I'll just hang the water pipe on a hook in the garage. See how we take it from there. Okay, that's the end of today's video. Next time we come back, I'll be outside trying to use it to clean the van. Thanks for watching. Bye.